Here we have this 69 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. It comes with a black sapphire exterior paintwork, LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the black splitter across the bottom. Now this car comes with front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked, with the M Sport caliper design in blue behind. We've also got the side skirts running up the side of the vehicle. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers, with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the spoiler lip on the tailgate just there. Onto the rear, we've got the rear parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper, with the exhaust exit either side of the diffuser. Now this car comes with £8,000 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. We also come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got that black leather interior with a blue stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the climate control for the passengers with a USB-C. Electric windows with the door handle and the blue stitching on the door leather as well. Onto the front seats, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the blue stitching. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've got the folding mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. Now this is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. Onto the steering wheel, you can see that we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind. We've also got the heated seat button just there. The heated steering wheel button just there. We've also got the function button for the heads-up display, so if you just look into the distance there, you can see the speedometer flashing. Now if I press the 3 lines on there, you can see we've got the function button also. We've also got the paddle shift behind, so if you want to drive this vehicle manually, you can use the paddle shifts there. Onto the main screen, you can see that this screen is flickering. That doesn't happen in real life, it's just for the purpose of this video. We've got the satellite navigation just there. We've also got the Bluetooth media with a Bluetooth phone connectivity, and if you just go down to apps, you can see that this vehicle comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going back onto the main screen, going into car, into settings, if you go all the way to the interior lighting, you can also change the ambient lighting in the vehicle. I've opted for purple, and as you can see, it runs nicely across the dashboard and into the doors as well. We've also got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated rear window and the air conditioning just there. We've also got the wireless phone charging here with the cup holders, and if we close that, it gives a nice look just there, blends in. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the dial and the manual function for the screen, and we've also got the different drive modes in which this car can be driven. So if you just press this, it'll pop up on screen all the different drive modes in which it can be driven. Heading back down, if I just pop this car into reverse, you'll also be able to see we've got the rear reversing camera with the sensors either side. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.